Welcome to the Coder's Rocket. Today we'll be discussing the top 5 Adobe products and I'm going to explain them to you in a few minutes. So let's start. So number 1, Photoshop, which is an industry standard for image editing, image manipulation and much more. It's Adobe's flagship product and used by many photo editors worldwide. Number 2, there's Illustrator, which is a vector design software for creating logos and 2D characters. It is used by many people worldwide and is a very popular product in the creative industry, just like all other Adobe products, though not exactly loved a lot. Then we have Adobe Premiere Pro, which is a professional video editing tool used by many professional video editors worldwide and is one of the only professional video editing software out there. It has a layer timeline where you can add various effects to it. Next we got After Effects, which is a powerful motion graphics and animation software used for various effects, but it cannot edit a final video, so you can only work on one video at a time. That's why you would use both Premiere Pro and After Effects instead of just using After Effects for everything. Finally, we have Adobe InDesign, which is a powerful design software used for designing the layouts you see in magazines and books. Alright, that was all for today, and until next time, bye. But first, make sure to hit that subscribe button, like the video and check out some other videos on our channel.